Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Explainer. I am studying question number 3, class 10th exercise number 3.2. Chapter is linear equations in two variables, right? Question is on the comparing the ratio a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, we have to check this equation is the consistent or inconsistent. Here is question number 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. In this question, a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2, and a3 is a1 a2. Okay, a3 is equal to 5. Similarly, b1 is equal to a1 a2, and a1 is 3, a2 is here, a2 is 2, here is b1, right? b1 is equal to 2 and b2 is minus 3. We have to write the sign also. Okay, plus or minus. Here is minus 3, therefore minus 3. b2 is minus 3, and c1 is 5. Similarly, c2 is 7, right? Therefore, we know that if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it will be consistent. Okay, here 3 upon 2 is not equal to 2 upon minus 3. Both are not equal. If 3 upon 2 is not equal to 2 upon minus 3, not equal. So we can write a1 upon a2 is not equal to, okay, b1 upon b2. So this equation is for consistent. This is the answer. Okay, and in the second question, 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Here is a1 is equal to 2, and a2 is 4, b1 is minus 3. First of all, we have to write sign. Okay, sign. Otherwise, question will be wrong. b1 is minus 3 and b2 will be minus 6. Similarly, c1 is 8 and c2 is 9. 2 upon 4, but 2 upon 4 and minus 3 upon minus 6, right? And 8 upon 9. Clear? 2 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 6, both are same, because after cancellation 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. 1 upon 2, here is 2 2 is 4, 1 upon 2. Both are same, but it is not equal. Okay, so we can write not equal sign. Therefore, or we can write, since we know that 1 upon 2, and after cancellation 8 upon 9. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 are equal, but 8 upon 9 are not equal. Okay, not equal to 1 upon 2. So therefore we can write the formula is a1. We know that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but not equal to c1 upon c2. So this is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Understand? This is the answer. And in first question and second question, 3 and 4 are same. Okay, 3, 4 same. I am doing question number 5. My fifth part. 4 upon 3x, 2 upon 2y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Here is a1 is equal to 4 by 3. And a2 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to 2, positive 2 plus 2, and b2 is equal to 3. c1 is equal to 8 and c2 is 12. Right? But 4 upon 3 is 4 upon 3 divided by 2. 4 upon 3 divided by 2 and 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 12. 8 upon 12. We have to solve. First of all, I am solving it. We can write 4 upon 3 multiply by 2 by 1. We can write 2 by 1. It means 1 in numerator and 2 is in denominator. And 2 by 3, here is 2 by 3 and here is 8 by 12. After cancellation, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, both are equal, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. It means here is also 2 by 3. It means 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 is also equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. All are equal. All values are equal 2 by 3. Okay. So this is so. We can write this is also a consistent. This is the answer, right? So therefore this question is over, right? First of all, in this question, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, therefore it will be consistent. And in another question, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, therefore it will be inconsistent. This is the main point. Okay? And in fifth part, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. All are equal, therefore it will be also a consistent. Okay? And this question is over, and after that we will solve next question on the next video. Thank you.